Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of technology with a list of the top 8 coolest gadgets worth buying from Amazon. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for some new, these gadgets are sure to impress. Let's get started. 8. Chargeflow Mini Portable Charger. The Chargeflow Mini Portable Charger is a compact and efficient power solution designed for on-the-go charging. With its sleek, pocket-sized design, it's easy to carry and fits seamlessly into any bag or pocket, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Despite its small size, the Chargeflow Mini boasts a robust battery capacity, providing a reliable boost to your devices when you're away from a power source. It features fast charging technology, allowing you to quickly recharge your smartphone, tablet, or other USB-powered devices, ensuring minimal downtime. The charger is equipped with multiple safety features, including overcharge protection and short-circuit prevention, to safeguard both your devices and the charger itself. 7. Groer M2. The Groer M2 is a high-performance storage solution designed to meet the demands of modern computing. This compact and efficient M2 drive offers exceptional speed and reliability, making it an ideal choice for both gaming enthusiasts and professionals requiring fast data access. With its NVMe non-volatile memory express interface, the Groer M2 delivers impressive read and write speeds, significantly reducing load times and enhancing overall system responsiveness. Its sleek, low-profile design ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, including laptops and desktops, without obstructing other components. Engineered with advanced thermal management features, the Groer M2 maintains optimal performance even under heavy workloads. 6. FlexStel Gear Zero Pump. The FlexStel Gear Zero Pump is a compact and highly efficient inflating solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. This innovative pump stands out due to its lightweight and portable design, making it easy to pack and carry on any adventure. Despite its small size, the Zero Pump delivers powerful performance, capable of quickly inflating air mattresses, inflatable pillows, and other camping gear with ease. One of the standout features of the FlexStel Gear Zero Pump is its rechargeable battery, which provides ample power for multiple inflation cycles on a single charge. The pump includes various nozzle attachments to ensure compatibility with different types of inflatables, enhancing its versatility. Additionally, its user-friendly design features simple controls for effortless operation. 5. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is an advanced drone designed to elevate the aerial photography and videography experience. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Avata 2 combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to deliver exceptional performance in a compact and durable package. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, the Avata 2 captures stunning 4K video and sharp stills, providing vibrant, detailed visuals from the sky. Its improved flight stability and advanced obstacle avoidance systems ensure smooth and safe operation, even in challenging environments. The drone's enhanced battery life allows for extended flight times, giving users more opportunity to explore and capture their surroundings. The Avata 2 also integrates seamlessly with DJI's intuitive flight control system, offering easy-to-use controls and intelligent flight modes. 4. Roboox S8 Plus. The Roboox S8 Plus is a cutting-edge robotic vacuum and mop designed to deliver comprehensive and efficient home cleaning. Building on the success of its predecessors, the S8 Plus integrates advanced technology to offer superior performance and convenience. At the core of the Roboox S8 Plus is its powerful suction system, which provides robust cleaning capabilities on various floor types, including carpets, hardwood, and tile. The vacuum features a multi-surface brush system that effectively picks up dust, dirt, and pet hair, ensuring a thorough clean throughout your home. The S8 Plus also includes an advanced mopping function with a high-capacity water tank and intelligent water flow control to handle both light and heavy-duty mopping tasks. Its mopping system is designed to minimize streaks and provide a spotless finish. 3. F8 Bone Conduction Speaker. The F8 Bone Conduction Speaker represents an innovative approach to personal audio, utilizing bone conduction technology to deliver sound through vibrations transmitted directly to the bones of the skull. This method allows users to experience high-quality audio while keeping their ears free, making it ideal for situations where situational awareness is crucial, such as during outdoor activities or while commuting. Designed for comfort and convenience, the F8 speaker features a lightweight and ergonomic design that can be worn comfortably around the neck or mounted in various configurations, depending on user preference. Its bone conduction technology ensures that sound is delivered clearly and distinctly, even in noisy environments. This speaker is equipped with built-in controls for easy adjustment of volume and playback, providing a user-friendly experience without needing to interact with a separate device. 2. Razer Kio Pro. The Razer Kio Pro is a high-performance webcam designed for gamers, content creators. It stands out for its advanced features, including a high-definition 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second (FPS), ensuring smooth and crisp video capture that enhances streaming and video conferencing experiences. One of the key highlights of the Kio Pro is its adaptive light sensor, which leverages Razer's advanced adaptive light technology to provide clear and detailed visuals even in low light or challenging lighting conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who stream or record in various environments, as it adjusts the camera's settings in real time to maintain optimal image quality. The Kio Pro also features a wide-angle lens with adjustable field of view options, allowing users to customize the frame to their liking. Its built-in microphone captures clear audio, though users have the option to connect external microphones for enhanced sound quality. The camera's design includes a flexible mounting system. 1. Dashcam Oni. The Dashcam Oni is a state-of-the-art vehicle camera designed to enhance driving safety and provide comprehensive surveillance for your vehicle. This advanced dashcam stands out with its 360-degree coverage, ensuring that every angle around your car is captured, which is crucial for documenting incidents, monitoring parking conditions, and providing evidence in case of disputes or accidents. The Oni features high-resolution video recording, typically in Full HD or 4K, delivering clear and detailed footage. Its wide dynamic range allows for excellent performance in varying lighting conditions, from bright sunlight to nighttime driving. The camera's wide field of view ensures that it captures a broad perspective, minimizing blind spots and enhancing overall coverage. Equipped with GPS functionality, the Dashcam Oni can track your location and driving speed. So there you have it, the top 8 coolest gadgets worth buying from Amazon. Each of these devices brings something unique to the table, whether it's enhancing your productivity, upgrading your home, or just adding a bit of fun to your daily routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Stay safe, stay prepared, and see you in the next one.